Lionbridge usually offers steadier work, while Appen gives you more project variety. That's the biggest difference. And for most people, it matters more than the hourly rate. By the end of this, you'll know which platform makes more sense for your time in 2026, depending on whether you want stability, flexibility, or higher earning potential. Here's the short answer first. If you want predictable work, Lionbridge is usually the better pick. If you want multiple projects and more ways to stack income, Appen is stronger. Start with how the work actually looks. Appen works like a project marketplace. You log in, browse open tasks, apply, qualify, and wait. That means you can sometimes work on 2 or 3 projects at once. Search rating, data labeling, transcription, AI prompts, it's all there. Lionbridge, now under TELUS International in many markets, is more focused. You usually get assigned to one core project like ads rating, map analysis, or search evaluation. That sounds limiting, but it also means less downtime. That's the trade-off. On pay, Appen can be slightly higher on top-end projects. Recent worker comparisons show Appen averaging around $12 to $15 per hour in some markets, while Lionbridge averages closer to $11 to $14. But Lionbridge workers report more consistent weekly hours, which often means better monthly totals. That's where people get confused. A $15 per hour project with no tasks is still $0. Now, look at onboarding. Appen is easier to enter because there are more project types. The problem is waiting. Some users sit in qualification for weeks. Lionbridge is stricter upfront. Their exams are harder, but once you're in, the work tends to last longer. Support matters too. Appen gets frequent complaints about slow tickets and delayed replies. Lionbridge isn't perfect, but workers usually report faster communication. So which one should you choose? Pick Appen if you want flexibility, can handle dry periods, and like switching between tasks. Pick Lionbridge if you want one reliable project and a cleaner system. Quick recap. Appen gives more variety. Lionbridge gives more stability. Appen can pay more per task. Lionbridge usually pays more consistently over time. Your next step is simple. Apply to both, compare the qualification process, and keep the one that gives you work first. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more real remote work breakdowns.